Hello guys, what's going on today? We're going to talk about Stick War Legacy, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial, guys, how I managed to find the super mod menu. And I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. So if anyone is interested to get this mod, you just need to follow my steps, guys. It's very simple, very easy. And I just need to mention to you that it's working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Today I decided to show you the steps with my Xiaomi, which is an Android phone, but the same steps are working also for the iOS users, guys. I already tested it on my iPhone. Right now I'm recording with it, so I cannot show you the steps for the moment, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just hit me up on the comments below, guys, and I'm going to do a tutorial also for the iOS users without a problem, okay? But as I mentioned before, steps are the same, so I don't think you're gonna face any problem, but anyway, I'll do it if you want to, okay? So I will just open the game immediately. In fact, I was even playing before, but just I'm going to go back here. I hide it somewhere, this mod menu. Okay, I'll just exit and enter again. 1 second, guys. Okay, just 2 seconds to get into the game. Oh, here we are. And for example, we have the mod menu over here. As you can see, there are so many features, guys. You can enable, disable, like you prefer, okay? And I'm just going to show you, for example, to the skins. Look at how much diamonds I got. And I bought a lot of things, like you can see it also in the shop. Upgraded everything, guys. And right now I'm just going immediately to show you the steps that I did in order to get it, this mod, okay? So let's go immediately to show you what I did in order to get this mod, guys, okay? So later you can play it by yourself. So all you need to do, guys, you just need to make sure you're gonna have a good connection with internet. So it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and also have it available, also have it and enable the data from internet, from your mobile practically. So the whole process of downloading doesn't interrupt because of internet connection, okay? And then for the both devices, all you need to do is just go to the searching bar and search about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys, and focus it for you guys immediately. Just to type it, 1 second. Okay, here we are. This is the site, guys. Just a few seconds to get connected. All right. Okay, here we are. You just go immediately to the searching bar, so you don't lose time. Just type the name of the game, Stick War. I'm sorry, I'm making typing mistakes. Okay, here we are. Just need to press in the middle, then press the green sign. Wait a couple of seconds, the whole process to be done. It will take around 30 to 30 seconds, the whole process to be done. And by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod, same as me, guys. So this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. And before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.